Every great email campaign starts with a list. Let me show you how to create one and add your first subscribers in under 2 minutes. Give your list a clear name. Then set the sender identity, the name and email your subscribers will see in their inbox. Now add your first subscribers. You can paste a CSV or add them one by one. Let us add 2 contacts manually so you see how it works. And there it is. Your list now has real subscribers, ready to receive your first campaign. You can sort, filter, segment, or import thousands more whenever you are ready. Back on the lists page, your new audience is right there at the top, ready for whatever you want to send next. And that is how you build your first mail list. Quick, clean, and ready for real subscribers. If this helped you get started, a thumbs up really helps. See you in the next one.